Good morning, my friends. I hope you all are having a great Friday. I'm so sorry I couldn't be here with you all today, but I am enjoying some great family time. Today, we are going to be learning more about mixed numbers and improper fractions. Yesterday, we learned more on the modeling side. Today, I'm going to show you a very quick way to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. And if you remember, let's go through our slides. Oh, I'm so sorry. There it goes. All right. Convert improper to mixed number. Yesterday we converted mixed numbers to improper fractions using models. But today I'm going to show you a fast way to convert these numbers to improper fractions. And it's pretty simple. So we're going to pull out wholes using division. So we know that 5/3 is an improper fraction. And we know this is also an illegal fraction. We cannot leave 5/3 like this. So in order to do this, we use division. I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 3 go into 5? I'm putting my denominator on the outside. I'm putting my numerator on the inside. Okay. So 3 can go into 5. I know it can go in there one time. 1 times 3 is 3. And I have a remainder of 2. So 1 is my whole. The denominator stays the same. And my remainder is my numerator. So I have just changed 5/3 into 1 2/3. If you're thinking, Miss Floyd, that was really fast. It's okay. Let me do it again. So we know that 5/3 is an improper fraction. We cannot leave it like this. So I am going to use division to help us change it to a mixed number. I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 3 go into 5? 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3, and I have a remainder of 2. This will always be my whole number. The remainder will always be your numerator. And your denominator does not change. The denominator never changes. It will always be the same. So let's try another one. What if I have 20/4? Well, I'm going to use division to help me. So how many times can 4 go into 20? Well, can 4 go into 2? 4 is bigger than 2, so it cannot go into 2. But 4 can go into 20. 4 can go into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And I do not have a remainder. So remember, this is my whole. This is my numerator. And this is my denominator, and it does not change. So we can write this. We can put all of our pieces together, okay? 5 will be my whole. I'm going to do it below because I don't have a lot of room. 5 will be my whole, and I have 0 over 4. But let's look at this. Do I really need that fraction because I have 0 fourths? Well, when you have 0 as the numerator, it's just the whole. 5 and 0 fourths is the same thing as 5. Let's look at another one. Now I'm going to turn my page. Okay. And I'm going to do 4/10. I'm so sorry, 10 over 4. Again, I'm going to use division to help me out. But first, Miss Floyd needs to plug in her computer or it's going to go dead. And I do not want that to happen in the middle of our video. All right, so we have 10 over 4. 10 over 4. Well, we know that this is an improper fraction, so we have to use division to help us out. How many times does 4 go into 10? Well, 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. And we have a remainder of 2. So remember, this is our whole, this is our numerator, and then this is our denominator. The denominator does not change. It is the same. So I'm going to put it all together now. I have 2, and look at my numerator, 2, look at my denominator, fourths. But I know all of you all are great mathematicians. We can simplify this into 2 and 1/2. 2 and 2/4 can be simplified into 2 and 1/2. Let's try another one. 7 and 7/4. We have 7/4. We're going to do this the same way, my friends. We're going to use division to help us. 4 goes into 7. I know that 4 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. I'm going to subtract and get a remainder of 3. I know this is my whole. This is my numerator. And my denominator does not change. It stays the same. So I have 1 and 3/4. Well, we know that if the numerator and denominator are next to each other on the number line, they will not, or I'm so sorry. If our numerator is next to our denominator on the number line, it is already simplified. So 1 and 3/4 is the answer. All right, guys. Today, what you all are going to be doing, I want you all to go do the Google assignment exit slip. It is already in your Google Classroom. If you need to come back to this video and re-watch, that is completely fine, my friends. If you need any help at all, email Miss Floyd and we can take a couple minutes on Monday to go over this. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great weekend.